Home sweet home. The air you breathe inside your home could contain more harmful airborne particles than the air outside. That doesn't sound so sweet, does it? Don't worry. That's why CUCKOO developed its CAC I0510FW Air Purifier with 3-in-1 True Air Filter. You can refresh your air with only one touch. Great for your bedroom, office space, kitchen, and dorm room. Pre-filter removes larger particles such as dust, hair, and fur. True HEPA filter catches smaller airborne particles and allergens. An activated carbon filter removes smoke, bad odors, and VOCs in your room. You can choose your optimal fan speed. Auto mode. Automatically adjust fan speed according to air quality. Real-time air quality indicator. You will know your air quality at all times with the 3 color-changing lights. Sleep mode sets the fan to the slowest fan speed and dims the LED lights to create an optimal sleeping environment. With the automatic timer, you can set how long you wish to run your air purifier. Filter change indicator alerts you when you need a filter replacement. Enjoy your breath.